Om, the Ganpati Upanishad, presented by Swayam Prakash Sharma. We begin the Upanishad with an invocation. Om, O Param Brahm Paramatma, with our ears, may we always hear what is auspicious. With our eyes, may we always see what is auspicious. O you who are worthy of worship, may we enjoy the term of life allotted to us by you, always praising you with our steady body and limbs. May the glorious Indra bless us. May the all-knowing Sun bless us. May Garud, the thunderbolt that destroys all evil, bless us. May Brihaspati grant us well-being. Om Shanti, 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 Om. As its name implies, the Upanishad is about Lord Ganapati, whom it sees as Brahm, whom it sees as the source and as the protector of the world. The Upanishad belongs to the Atharvaved, and in the Muktika list of 108 Upanishads to be studied for salvation, this Upanishad figures at serial number 89 in that list. The Upanishad. Auspiciousness to all who hear the Shanti part of Ganapati, which is as follows. Om Gam, I bow to Ganapati. You clearly are the Tattva. You alone are the creator. You alone are the maintainer. You alone are the destroyer. Of all that is in existence, you certainly are Brahm. You plainly are the essence. I always speak Amrit on nectar. I always speak the truth. Always protect me. Always protect the speakers who are the teachers. Always protect the listeners who are the pupils, the disciples. Always protect the givers. Always protect the holders of the great knowledge. Always protect the disciples who repeat and follow the teaching of the great teachers. Protect what is in the east. Protect what is in the south. Protect what is in the west. Protect what is in the north. Protect what is above. Protect what is below. Protect everywhere. Protect me everywhere. You are speech. You are consciousness. You are bliss. You are Brahm. You are Sat Chit Anand, meaning you are being, consciousness, and bliss. You are the non dual. You are clearly and plainly Brahm. You are knowledge. You are intelligence. You create all this world, and having created this world, you also maintain all this world. Therefore, all this world is seen in you. You are earth. You are water. You are fire. You are air. And you are ether, the sky. You are beyond the four measures of speech. You are beyond the three gunas, Sat, Rajas, and Tamas. You are beyond the three bodies, the physical, the subtle, and the causal. You are beyond the three times, the past, the present, and the future. You are always situated in the Mooldhara. You are the being of the three Shaktis. You are the one who is always meditated on by the yogis. You are Brahma. You are Vishnu. You are Rudra. You are Agni. You are Vayu. You are the sun. You are the moon. You are Brahma, Bhur, Bhuva, Swar. Now we come to the Vidya of Lord Ganesh. Ga is the first syllable. After that is the first letter. Beyond that is M. Then is the half moon. All of them together, joined with M, This is the form of the mantra. The letter G is the first form. The letter A is the middle form. The letter M is the last form. Bindu is the higher form. Nad is the joining together of all of them. Sanghita is the junction. This is the Vidya of Lord Ganesh. Gan is the seer, the rishi. Nikad Gayatri is the meter. Mahaganapati is the Devata, the presiding deity. Om Ganapataya Namah. Let us think of the one-toothed God. Let us think of Ek Dant. Let us meditate on the crooked trunk of the God. May that one tusk of his direct us. One tusk, 4 arms, carrying noose and goad, with his hands in the posture that dispels fear and grants boons, with the mouse as his banner emblem. Red colored, with a big belly, pot bellied, with ears like winnowing baskets, wearing red, with limbs smeared with red scent, he is worshipped with red flowers. To the devoted, he is always a merciful God. He is the maker of the world. He is the prime cause who at the beginning of creation was greater than both nature and men. The person who always meditates in this way, he is a yogi above all yogis. Hail to the Lord of vows. Hail to Ganapati. Hail to the first Lord. Hail to you, the big-bellied, the pot-bellied, the one-tusked, the destroyer of all obstacles, the son of Shiva. To the giver of boons, hail and hail once more, and hail all the time. He who studies this Atharva text, he moves towards Brahma. He is always blissful. He is not bound by any obstacles. No obstacles stand in his path. He is liberated from the 5 greater and the 5 lesser sins. Evening meditation on this destroys all the unmeritorious actions of the night. Meditation at both morning and evening by anyone liberates the person from all the bad, and he attains the 4 goals of life, the 4 purusharths, which are dharma, duty, arth, economic well-being, calm, fulfillment of desires, and moksha, salvation. This Atharva text should not be given to undeserving people, such as those who are not good pupils. If through delusion a person makes the mistake of doing so, then it means that the person himself is not a good person and he is a bad person. A person who desires something may accomplish that desire by 1000 recitations of this Upanishad. The person who sprinkles Gayatri with this becomes eloquent in speech. Whosoever recites this on a 4th day, he becomes a knower of Vidya. There is an Atharva saying, whosoever moves towards Brahm Vidya, he is never afraid. Whosoever worships with fried grains becomes both intelligent and famous. He who worships with sweet laddus, sweet modaks, he gains whatever fruit he desires. Whosoever worships with samidha and ghee, with sticks dipped in ghee for the sacrificial fire, he attains all and everything. All and everything is gained by him. The persons who makes 8 persons of Brahman nature understand this becomes like the rays of the sun. If a person recites this during a solar eclipse or in a great river or in front of an image, he or she becomes accomplished in the mantra. Such a one is liberated from great obstacles and he is freed from all misfortunes. Yes, such a one is liberated from great obstacles and he is freed from all misfortunes. This concludes the Ganapati Upanishad. Om Shanti 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 Om.